So first things first, let's actually make this into more of a cylinder. So I'm just going to bring this over a little bit. Maybe make this a little bit of a taller cylinder. And then I need to create some circles to put on top. So just like we did up here, I'm going to create a circle. Now, there's a couple of ways to do this. So I can, if you see, if I move over here, this little thing that says intersect means that I'm right in the center. Now, dragging over, that's not going to help, but if I hold down the Option key, it'll grow from the center there. And I can kind of be alerted when I've dragged it out to that area. So now, and with this, you want to make sure, you want to just kind of zoom in. I'll give this a similar kind of lighter color like we had before. You just want to zoom in just to make sure, and you can see here why you're doing that, because I didn't get it completely over there, so maybe just move it just a little bit more to make sure it's kind of lining up there. I need to do this to the bottom as well, so I'm just going to do the same thing, Shift Option, drag it down. Now it looks kind of weird because it's kind of, we don't know if we're looking at the top or the bottom. If we're using this as the same set here, we need to kind of bring this down to the bottom. So there's a couple of ways to do this. Obviously, I can just select this, and then if I use my little tool here, I can make sure that I want that same red color, and I can just literally drag that red color right over to here, and it'll give it the same color. But it's two separate objects. We're going to group these together later, but to make it an actual full object, let's select both of these and use the Shape Builder tool, which is right here. When you click on that, you first need to make sure you select the items that you're going to use together. And then if I hold down Shift here, or actually don't need to hold down Shift, just drag it across, it's going to combine all of those together. Now, I've got this top part and this part. So I can put those two together, Command G to group, and I can call that my cylinder. It didn't look, oh, I don't think I grouped it. That is the reason it didn't work. Command G. There we go. I don't know how to spell cylinder, so I'm going to spell it really wrong. There we go. So now I've got that as a cylinder.